sweet, salty, spicy, fiery Thai basil prawns cooked on the wok burner. I bet you can't wait because this is delicious. Guys, welcome back to Wok Wednesday. I'm Jeremy from School of Wok. I'm clearly not at School of Wok because you've probably seen we've been out and about on tour and we're cooking loads of stuff, stir fries on this wok burner outdoors. Can't wait. Let's get cooking. This is definitely going to be the fastest Wok Wednesday ever because I'm cooking it on this outdoor wok burner and there's barely anything to it. It's so quick, so easy and so fresh. Finely chop your garlic. Gonna use that garlic skins to just create a quick garlic oil on a low heat whilst I'm chopping it up. Some chilli, bird-eyed chilies, they're pretty hot, but this is Thai, so we're gonna go for it. Finely chopped. Let's put another one in. Why not? My skin's burnt. No, the oil's gonna be good. Just trust my wok instinct. Oh God, screw this. I mean, this is so quick. You have to be sort of on it, ready to go with everything. So I've got my garlic and chili that's going to go straight in, and then my prawns follow straight after. I can smell that garlic really hitting off on those prawns. Give them a quick toss so that garlic doesn't burn. My sauce is a mixture of 50-50 fish sauce and light soy sauce and some sugar on top, and I've got some chicken stock nearby. High heat all the way, and this garlic oil is great for just a little drizzle here or there as and when you need it. I'm going to really bring this up to a high smoking point now before I finish this off. And I've got all these lovely bunches of Thai sweet basil that I'm just going to sort of generously throw into the stir fry as we get the sauce in. Sauce is coming in. Continue building up that heat. Thai basil goes in. We get a whole heap of it in there. You don't want to overcook those prawns at all. And that is done. Steaming hot Thai basil prawns in seconds. So simple, so quick, yet so aromatic. That is simple cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell, and there's more simple recipes just like this all over the channel.